Hello, good day friends, welcome. In today's video we are going to be stacking USDT in this particular quantitative platform. So as you can see, I have funded my account with around 10 USDT and I'm going to be making a live withdrawal. So please make sure you follow this video carefully and see everything I'm going to be doing. Now based on the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira on this exchange, we are going to be earning approximately around 20 something thousand in naira. That's after conversion. Now I can earn above this, but I like to start my video sometimes on some platform with a very minimal VIP upgrade, so that those people that are used to feel worried that they cannot actually start an aping into platform and earn good funds as this can know that you can start with a very least capital. So for me now, I started with around 10 USDT, right? But if I after this video, I'm still going to go like upgrade it. But for you, if you have less, you can actually just start with this. However, I encourage you to do better. Now if you want to recharge your account, all you need to do is to click on recharge right here. So you can see once you click on recharge, there are different wallet address, but for me I prefer to use USDT BEP20 because the deposit and the deposit fee and withdrawal fee is always very low and really very insignificant, and you can actually, there are different address here depending on the one you like, but I prefer you make use of USDT BEP20. And the next thing, for before you even recharge, you need to come here and click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my right and the third icon counting from my left. So once you click on quantify, you are going to be tapping this dashboard that you are seeing here, which indicates start quantify, for you to earn an interest based on the amount you started up with. So you can see this is the VIP one. I choose 10 USDT, right? And it's going to be giving me 22.1 interest. Now the next one will have around 80 USDT. So I'm going to later go for this VIP 2, but I'm just doing this VIP 1 so that those people that don't have very much capital can ape into this. Now please note that this is not actually financial advice. I'm just making this video to show you guys how I earn from different quantitative platforms. Now the secret for you to earn is to make sure you register immediately as you see this video. So after you are done, the next thing for you to do is to click on what start quantify. Now after I click on start quantify, an amount that I'm going to earn daily is going to be shown here, which is going to be around 2.1 USDT, as you can see, right? So this 2.1 USDT, I'm going to withdraw it live now. But before I go to withdraw, please, I want you guys to find your way down to my Telegram channel. There's this particular project that I'm still shilling out to everybody. It is called Caladio Finance Testnet Mining. You can actually mine this project. The use case and utility is actually very good, and I'm quite bullish on the project. So the next thing for me to do is to click on withdraw. Now if I want to withdraw, you can see it right here, right? I tap on withdrawal right here, and if I want to withdraw, I'm going to make use of USDT BEP20. So I just go to BEP20 right here and come here. I already copied my address, so I just come here and paste the address, and then I put in my security password. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get started on this platform. That is to say, how you can register an account, because to register an account is basically very simple and easy. So that's why I didn't actually start from there. So let's just click on confirm. So we're going to still go confirm our withdrawal at that particular wallet that I showed you guys. So if you want to also open an account right here, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you can also read through this guide once you register on this platform, but it's not actually really necessary for you to read through it because I've shown you all you need to do and what you need to do to earn. If you want to earn, all you just need to do is to confirm your earning rate from the quantification. Now quantification is the second icon counting from my left and the third from my right. Now please, I want you to do this because most people, when they recharge their account, they don't make withdrawals. Immediately you recharge your account, come here and click on quantify and click on start quantify. So once you click on this, you are supposed to withdraw every 24 hours. You can see that there is a countdown here, right? So in the next 24 hours, I'm going to come here, click on this start quantify again and earn. So let's go and confirm if our withdrawal has actually arrived. Remember, we withdrew 2.1, right? So let's come here and check it. Let's see for ourselves, and I'm sure it has arrived. So let me just refresh and see. So I refresh again, you can see our withdrawal has actually arrived. This around, let me go to my history. You can see it, withdrawal has actually arrived, which is 2.9. So you can see our withdrawal is actually here. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. So make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. If you have any question, I'll be there to actually guide you. Look at it again, the different VIP levels. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Thank you.